Hi, and welcome to another video. Today we're approaching to a car meet that's called Tiefengrund. I've personally never been there, so as you see, it's also the first time we're going with the Audi to a car meet. I know it just has some lowered springs in, but excuse me. But I'm really looking forward what we see today, what cars we will see today. We're gonna wash the car now first, driving through the wash park. When done, we're gonna drive directly to the car meet, and I'm really looking forward what Tiefengrund will look like, what Tiefengrund will be. Hopefully we can maybe speak with the organizations or staff, I don't know. But first we're gonna clean the car now, and let's see what this day will bring. Right, so car is nearly clean. We're gonna try this boy out, and let's see how this works. Alright, after 1 minute of usage, it doesn't work. It got 2 less power. That's not a recommendation, but at least we try. And now we are heading to Tiefengrund. Okay, so we arrived at Tiefengrund, and let me show you this. Yes, it's so crowded. It's crazy what's going on here. Even the area where you're heading towards the meet is like the most insane tuning traffic jam I've seen so far. So I would suggest I'm gonna search now a parking slot. I'm gonna pay my entry fee, and in the meanwhile you guys start watching some clips of the meet. Let's see what cars we find here, and again, welcome to the video, and I hope you enjoy the clips. Alright my friends, so first impression so far. A lot of stamped cars, more than I expected for German circumstances, to be really honest. I really appreciate how this meeting is set up. It's a huge space. I mean, see over here. Nothing that you want to miss. We're gonna now check the second hall. My personal favorite car in the first hall was definitely that R8 with the Lamborghini wheels. I know some people will say, I like it. I really enjoyed it. And as well, of course, the blue Sylvia. I mean, I'm a JDM boy, I really am. But that blue Sylvia, we're gonna blend in now some short clips. Yeah, really, absolutely amazing car. So we're gonna check now hangar number 2, and you guys will watch some more clips, and I'm gonna bring up my glasses, and we're gonna check out what we will find there. Let's go. Alright guys, so I can tell you, so this was hall 2. They also have like, I don't know, food court or something else back there. It looks pretty cool to me. We're gonna back to the car, grabbing some water. It's melting hot, I tell you. On this airfield the sun is burning, it's absolutely crazy. One positive effect, a lot of JDM cars here. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna grab some water now, and I would say we're gonna chat when we're arrived at the car. Okay guys, really quick, I need to check if I can blend the music out. Look at that prelude. Look here. Look at this. We have the Schmidt Revolution rims on it. Also interior is super crisp and clean. Absolutely cool. And also I just love how the whole car is in stance. Absolute blast of car. I'm gonna take some. Oh, we have. Here's the deal. I'm gonna film now these 4 cars, and then we're going back to the car. I'm sorry, but it's so much JDM over here. It feels a little bit like being at JD Mania. So you guys check these clips, and then we meet at the car.
So, as you saw, I was walking while the camera was turned on. What had the result that when I arrived at the car and started talking into the camera, I pressed the recording button before I started talking. What then eventually turned off the camera. So there's actually no me talking clip that I could join into the meeting here, so I have to record it there. So I'm very sorry for this failure. But I guess I was telling that I was walking now to the other cars that's standing behind me in that direction. And thanks for watching, and now we're gonna continue with the clips, and I'm very, very sorry for that mistake. Okay guys, I usually not tend to interrupt the clips, but look at this. They got the power supply for the bass, for the subwoofer in the seat integrated. I mean, the whole car is an absolute blast. If you see it in here, let me see if the camera can catch it. There is another power supply in. We have the air ride. We have some chrome Japan racing wheels, and this is so sick. Look at this. Even the whole car is touched with Alcantara. Absolutely amazing. I know I actually wanted to go to the car, but there are really some attention grabbing cars here, and absolutely crazy. I mean, see it there, all down there. This is hangar number 2. You saw that already. Everywhere cars. So we now jump back to the clips, and crazy, absolutely crazy car. Alright everybody, so we didn't had any food so far because the queue was so long, more terrible than race was. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna check the last line there, and saying this, oh by the way, one fact, they also have like a go-kart track, a little bit like in Tokyo on the lowdown meet. We're gonna check now this with some more clips, and guys, I guess that's it for today. A little more shorter episode than usual, but before we come to the finished theme, you guys now watching some clips.
Alright everybody, so let me just adjust the camera so you see me better. So we are back in the car. I hope you really enjoyed the clips and the meet so far. You see here I'm already I'm still sweating. It's super hot, it's absolutely crazy. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna drive home now because the weather forecast said there will be a thunderstorm today coming up in the next hour. So it took me like an hour to be at home. So I'm, as said, driving home now. Thank you so much for staying here with me. Thank you so much also to Tiefengrund. I think it's a fantastic meet. I really love the meet, especially the fact that you have the hangars with the VIP area. Absolutely dope. That said, every episode comes to an end, and if you're still watching the video until that point, go and hit that subscribe button. And also I hope you like the format. It's a little bit shorter than usual, and I hope you enjoyed. Less me talking, more cars to view. Let me know in the comments if you like that, or if you want to go back to the old school style with me talking a lot and showing some cars. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.